Bet you weren't expecting this guy. Whoop, 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 cornballs. Today, we're going to play a fantastic classic for the N64, but I don't have one. So we're going to play it on my Xbox, Goldeneye 007. Everybody remembers this movie. Everybody fondly remembers this movie. Watched it recently with my friend Steve. It is a steaming pile of shit. I'm invincible! Chemical warfare facility. That's not what they call them. Give him the chop. These guys are terrible here. I killed him. Oh, I don't need to go this way at all, do I? No. can't remember how to do this. It's the door decoder, damn it. For England, James. For England. It was too easy. Fight! I'm sneaking to the vent. Yes, they're after me, but I'll go slow. Ooh, cornfleet! And so we play the facility level, arguably the best level in the whole game. Let's talk about some pros. Some pros include the fact that despite being a terrible movie, the game actually kind of really followed how it went. It was good. Very faithful. Hey, what's up here? The gameplay was amazing. The controls were clunky, but they were designed for the Nintendo 64, which was also clunky. I have an N64 on my emulator, but like, I've got an Xbox controller from my emulator, and it just doesn't translate. The way they had it laid out, there's just no good way to map those controls. Which is frustrating, but it is what it is. Anyway, it's alright. We got it. The amount of extras and unlockables in this game is just astronomical. The graphics for its time, I mean, they weren't lifelike, but they were pretty good. And, I mean, really what matters most is the gameplay. I mean, I will play a shitty movie's great adaptation video game. Or even just like a character, like Batman, like the Arkham series of games. Not really related to any Batman comic book or anything, but the games are fantastic. So like, the source material doesn't have to be good for them to do something good with it. The amount of bad movie tie-in video games is like astronomically lopsided compared to the good ones. Like, they're just, when I was growing up, everything had a movie tie-in, and everything was shit. And every parent was like, my kid likes RoboCop, I'm gonna get him RoboCop on the NES. Shame on you. But also, why was RoboCop marketed for children? That's the real question.